Welcome to everyone. Let's go through the topics quadratics. Under the topics, we have to find the quadratic equation. That is 3 or 4 points on the parabola. That is a quadratic function are provided. We have to find the corresponding quadratic equation which has the points satisfying. Okay. The question 1. The parabola is passes through the points 0, minus 24, minus 2, 0, and 4, 0. Find the equation of the parabola. We have to find the equation of the parabola whose points are 0, minus 24, minus 2, 0, and 4, 0. Okay. What type of parabolic equation can be used? A general form or a vertex form? Yes, we can use the general form of the parabola, that is a quadratic equation, x squared plus bx plus c. This is a suitable form which can be easily found the equation of the parabola. Okay. Okay, let's substitute the points one by one for x and y. Let's take the first point 0, 12 minus 24. Substitute y as minus 24 and x is 0. And we can get the value c as minus 24. Then substitute minus 2, 0. That is a minus 2 for x and y for 0. Minus 2 times 2 is 4a and minus 2b equal to 24, which is the value of c. Yeah. Then it can be divided by 2. This equation can be divided by 2 to get the equation 2a minus b is equal to 12. Then we can use the third point 4, 0. That is x squared is 4 times 4 is 16 and b x is 4, so 4b equal to 24. Then we can divide this equation by 4 to get 4a plus b is equal to 6. Now we have the two equations. One is 2a minus b is equal to 12 and other equation is 4a plus b is equal to 6. Now let's add these two equations and can find the value of a. Add 1 and 2, we can get 6a is equal to 18, which is a is equal to 3. Then substitute a is equal to 3 in any of the two equations. I'm substituting this value in second equation for a plus b is equal to 6, which implies 4 times 3 plus b equal to 6. 4 times 3 is 12 and b is equal to 6 minus 12, which is minus 6. Then we let's substitute a, b, c value on the general equation and we can get the equation to the curve, that is the equation of the parabola is 3x squared minus x minus 24. Okay, then let's move on to the next question. Problem 2. A parabola passes through the points minus 2, minus 3, 2, 9, 6, 5. Find the equation of the parabola. Here also we can assume the equation in the general form x squared plus bx plus c. Let's substitute first point minus 2 minus 3. Then we can get minus 2 times minus 2 is 4, that is 4a. And minus 2 times b is minus 2b plus c is equal to minus 3. That is the first equation. Then second equation at 2a, 9, let's substitute x is 2 and y is 9. We can get the equation as 4a plus 2b equal plus c is equal to 9. And the third equation 6, 5. Third point 6, 5. When we substitute the third point to the equation, we can get that is 6a plus 6b plus c is equal to 5. Okay, now we have the three equations. What should we do with the three equations? Yes, it is easily. We can subtract subtract first equation from second equation. We can eliminate a value and c a variable and the c variable, and we can easily find the value of b. So do the same. Then that is 4a minus 4a cancel, c minus c is cancelled, 2ab minus of minus 2b is 4b, and 9 minus of minus 3 is 12. We can get b value as equal to 3. Let's substitute b is equal to 3 in equation 1 and equation 2. Then equation 1 becomes 4a minus 6 plus c, that is 4a plus c equal to 3. Okay. Then, sorry. Equation 3 becomes, let's substitute the value of b in third equation. We can get the equation as 36a plus c is equal to minus 30. Then we have the two equations 4 and 5. Now we can subtract 4 from 5. Let's get the equation 36 minus 4 is 32a minus 13 minus 3 is minus 16 by 32 and a is equal to minus 2. Then thus the equation to the curve was y is equal to minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. Okay. Okay. Thank you. A is equal to minus 2, 1 by 2 in 4 and we can get the value of c as 5. Then we can substitute those values into the equation. We can get y is equal to minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 5. This is the required equation of the parabola. Okay. Okay, in this session we have learned we have to take the general equation like y is equal to x squared plus bx plus c and substitute the points, and we can frame the equation, and using eliminate method we can solve the equation and find the value of ABC, and we can get the required equation. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.